we're going to the first thing we're going to talk about is the game, the MTN FA Cup game tomorrow against Benab FC. That's the first thing we're going to talk about. So do you expect Seydou Zebo to rotate because we can't play the same team you have played in the Premier League, or do you expect him to take the FA Cup seriously and play a strong team against Benab FC?
Yeah, thanks for having me on again, Clinton. Yeah, I think we don't have the luxury to actually rotate this time because of the many injuries that we are currently battling. Rather, I think the coach is actually going to use this FA Cup to further build his team because I think the team has come under a bit of backlash some weeks ago. So I don't expect too much or too many changes in the team. I expect him to play his stronger side, but rather expect maybe the likes of Rocky Dramina and Sadrakado. I mean, Sadrakado has been even having playing time. And I expect also I expect players who were suspended, the likes of Richmond Lamptey and Enoch Morrison to also have. I mean, they should have a running of the games because they need a bit of match fitness as well.
All right.
So I don't expect a lot of rotations for tomorrow's match.
Are you expecting Mukwala to start?
To be honest with you, yes. I will be expecting him to start. Actually, it's okay. So per what I read on the website today, I think Samuel Boateng is not injured, so maybe Samuel Boateng might have his chance. If I were the coach, I would have rested Mukwala, but we cannot take that a lot of chances because if you can remember, playing against Bechem United, Mukwala was the one who got us the 2 goals, and Samuel Boateng hasn't even scored a goal this season. So I don't think we should gamble with that because the fans are also yearning a bit for the FA Cup because it's the last time that we won. I mean, I think it was in 20 when we beat us 3-1 in Tamale. I've forgotten the year, but 2015 or something like that. That was the last time that we won the FA Cup. So I think it would be nice if we take it seriously.
All right. So talking about Benab FC, because personally I haven't seen how they play. Do you think they can come to Bavaria Stadium because it's going to be played at Bavaria Stadium? Do you think they can come there and cause an upset?
Well, they have been playing a couple of matches at the Bavaria Stadium, Benab FC, and per my checks, it's a very young side, and hearing the coach talk within the media space this week, he said that Kotoko should be very ready because they are going to run a lot. I mean, they have nothing to lose, Clinton. If they lose, it's not a surprise. So playing against such teams, it becomes very difficult. It becomes very difficult to play against such teams because they have nothing to lose. For them, they are coming to have fun, and that is when it becomes difficult to break such teams down. I think they will like to play it quite tight and maybe possibly take us on the penalties. But I expect that we will actually kill the game and not travel to penalties because I think the games will keep on coming taken fast.
All right. Talking about what the coach said or what he didn't say, I think in Ghana Premier League, I don't take that seriously because coaches will brag and brag, they come and lose. And if they get a draw, they'll be telling you that they should have won. They had the opportunity to win.
Yeah.
This and that. Yeah. That's normal stuff in Ghana Premier League. But I think Kotoko should be able to send them off because I don't expect them to, since it's at the Bavaria Stadium, I don't expect them to pull an upset. So 100% expecting Kotoko to beat Benab FC in that game tomorrow. So let me get our scoreline predictions before we move to the next one.
Well, I mean, it's Kotoko's our performances nowadays is very difficult to. I know that we're gonna win, but I cannot predict the scoreline. To be honest with you, because it's tough to predict our matches nowadays. But one thing that we must also take into consideration is that we have been conceding in every match that we play at Babaya this season, except the away match against King Faisal.
Yes.
That was the only match that we didn't concede. So I think it's something that we should also take a look at it as well. So going by that, I think maybe they will have a goal, and maybe we will win by maybe 3-1 or 2-1, something like that.